Window installation in New Orleans is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a variety of replacement windows New Orleans styles available, including vinyl windows, double-hung windows, and casement windows, New Orleans window installation experts provide tailored solutions to meet every need. Whether you're interested in custom windows or replacement windows, New Orleans offers a range of options to suit your style and budget. Energy-efficient windows in Louisiana are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. By choosing energy-efficient windows, New Orleans residents can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home environment. Window experts in Louisiana specialize in installing windows that meet the highest energy standards, ensuring long-term savings and environmental benefits. Vinyl windows in New Orleans are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows offer excellent insulation properties, making them ideal for the Louisiana climate. New Orleans window companies provide a wide selection of vinyl windows, ensuring that homeowners can find the perfect fit for their homes. Double-hung windows in Louisiana offer a classic look with modern functionality. These windows are easy to clean and provide excellent ventilation, making them a favorite among New Orleans homeowners. Window contractors in New Orleans are skilled in installing double-hung windows, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. Replacement windows New Orleans is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Whether you need window glass replacement or window frame replacement, New Orleans window professionals offer comprehensive services to address any issue. Regular window maintenance in Louisiana can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows. Custom windows in New Orleans allow homeowners to create a unique look that reflects their personal style. With a variety of materials and designs available, New Orleans window experts can craft custom windows that enhance the beauty and functionality of any home. From bay windows to sliding windows, the possibilities are endless. Replacement windows New Orleans is a smart investment for homeowners looking to improve their property's energy efficiency and curb appeal. New Orleans window replacement services offer a range of options, including hurricane windows and energy-efficient models, to ensure your home is protected and comfortable year-round. Hurricane windows in New Orleans are a must-have for residents looking to safeguard their homes against severe weather. These windows are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, providing peace of mind during hurricane season. New Orleans window contractors specialize in installing hurricane windows that meet local building codes and safety standards. Bay windows in Louisiana add elegance and charm to any home. These windows create a sense of space and light, making rooms feel larger and more inviting. New Orleans window companies offer a variety of bay window styles to complement any architectural design. Window contractors in New Orleans are experienced professionals who provide top-notch window services. From window estimates to window quotes, these experts guide homeowners through the entire process, ensuring a seamless and stress-free experience. New Orleans window solutions are tailored to meet the unique needs of each client.